Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have been following along on my Instagram page, you know that we are staying at my parents' house during the COVID-19. We have set up a nursery for Wyatt, and since this is the first time he's actually had a room to himself, I wanted to show it off to you guys. So we went with the fox woodland theme. You'll definitely see a huge pattern throughout the room. So we did bring his crib from home. A lot of things are from home just because we didn't know how long we'd be staying here and we wanted him to feel comfortable. So we've just tied a scarf to that because he was eating it. And then behind his crib, we've set up a bookshelf. It's pretty basic right now. We've just stacked it with a lot of books and some stuffed animals and his piggy bank and artwork. So that's been really nice to have, and it's got these two really nice shelf cupboard down below. I haven't filled them with anything yet, but if you have any suggestions, I'd love to hear them. Leave them in the comments below. So heading over to the other side of the room, we have a table with some books, a little toy box I'm going to fill up with some toys. I am going to swap out this lamp with a owl lamp. And just beside that we have a cute little Pinocchio guy that my parents brought him back from Germany, along with some more artwork and this really nice shelf that you can hang things off of, so that's kind of nice. And then I'm throwing it back to when Wyatt was not only in my stomach but just born, with his little footprint. It's really nice having those things here. And then moving over to the closet, it's probably my favorite because if you guys have followed along for a while, you know that we don't have a closet. So having hangers and being able to hang things up has been a really big lifesaver. So we have all of his clothes hung up. I've just basically hung them up sweaters, long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, and then some onesies. And then this sweater is a little too big on him still, but it's not too far away, so I thought maybe for spring it might be nice. But I've just kind of organized the drawers, pants and socks. There's some extra onesies and t-shirts here, and I really like using these bins because it just helps keep everything organized. Just kidding, his pajama drawer is a mess. I just tossed everything in there just because they're pajamas. And then I do have an empty drawer at the bottom, which is pretty sweet. Then we just kind of have a mirror and little coat rack, which I've got his house coat on right now. But I'm just really happy with how this space ended up. It's a little bit of home for Wyatt right now during these hard times. I work in healthcare, so my parents watch him a lot. And it's just nice to have a piece of home here. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!